Hi everyone, I'm going to share with you a few tips on how to quit the use of tobacco. These are very simple and you can start whenever you have decided to quit your habit. First, you have to set a quit date. It could be your birthday or some important days like anniversaries, an auspicious day, or even the first day of month. If you're highly motivated, choose any immediate date in the near future. Make sure you have enough time to prepare well. When you are all set, tell your friends and family about your plan to quit the habit. If you tell them, you will get enough support and encouragement from them. Also, it would be a good idea to inform your co-workers so that during the break time they will not encourage you to have a puff. It is always a good idea to find an accountability buddy when you plan to quit so that he or she can help you to get through these few days of strong cravings. If you do this, in a matter of weeks, you will come out of it like a champion. It is important to also anticipate and understand the triggering factors of your habit. For example, some people want to smoke after lunch or during break times. When you are aware of these, find an alternative like dark chocolate or chewing gum to replace your smoking habit. Your trigger can be anything, including specific places or certain activities, situations, feelings, or people. Find a way to avoid these triggers. Some people smoke to deal with their stress. Now, if you feel resisting of the tobacco craving itself is stressful, practice some deep breathing or relaxation exercise to reduce your stress. Now that you have a strong determination, do not forget to remove all the tobacco products from your home, your workspace, or from the vehicle. If you get cravings, try to get physically active with something to distract yourself. It will certainly reduce the intensity of the cravings. And if you have a lot of withdrawal symptoms like headache, anger, irritability, be it physical or emotional, try to understand that these are temporary and will disappear in a few days. Remind yourself that you are on a mission this time and there is no going back. And one last thing, if you tried this multiple times before, if you think you are not able to do it by yourself, then definitely seek help from a physician or a tobacco cessation specialist. They can find out the level of nicotine addiction, and based on that, they can prepare a personalized step-by-step plan to help you to quit the habit. In the worst case scenario, if you did not succeed this time, don't get disheartened. Please try again and push yourself harder. It is not something impossible to do, whatever may be the addiction level. So many people have done it, you can do it too.